We loved our 6-day stay due to the amount of space you get for your money as a family of 3 and the location/neighborhood of the flat. We know and love this part of town well. There is a coop just behind the building and everything touristy of central London is within walking distance.
The apart is on 3rd level and there is no lift, stairs are too narrow, it was very difficult to carry luggages. The information on web is not correct and it misleads the people while making the reservation. It reads max 4 people but there was only 1 double bed and 1 single bed in the apart.
My family and I stayed in the apartment for 3 nights. After we checked out we received an email from the host, accusing us of damaging the floor in the living room and need to charge us more than £300 in order to repair the damage.
Carpet and flat needs replacing as there are lots of stains. Single bedroom in flat 4, at the back, is so small you may have to leave your suitcase in the living room but you can see that from the photos. Bring toilet rolls, tea bags, sugar etc. as you only get one.
The location of the apartment is excellent. There is a bus stop across the street and Goodge Street Tube station is a block away. There are restaurants, grocery stores and shops nearby as well. The apartment is spacious and comfortably fit our family of 3.
The front living room is very noisy and would not be good for light sleepers. Keys have to be picked up about a 10-minute walk away. And the apartment is bare bones, no extra garbage bags, paper towels, and pretty terrible cooking supplies.